Hello guys, there we have a Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and today I will show you how you can send or receive fax messages on this device. So we have to start from the download some fax app. You will find it a lot of it in the Google Store, but I choose that one. So we have to open it now. And how you can see now we are in the send fax section. To choose the file that you want to send, click this little plus and choose the source of it. You can choose the image from the gallery, PDF from the download files, or just take a photo. I will take a photo now. Now you can choose a shape of your document. And if you are ready, click here. If you want to add some signature, click here. And if you want to add a text, click here. There is a place where you can choose a filter for your file. And if you are ready to send it, click here. If you want to add more documents, click here and again choose your source. But if you want to send only this one, now type the number that you want to send it, and optionally you can add a small note. Now to send it, just click here. If you want to receive fax messages, you have to add a number fax. And to do it, we have to click here. Now we are in the outgoing section. To get a fax number, click here and type your number. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.